Hi my friends, this is Cori. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. Today I'm here with a new package that I got from GBFKE, and this one's a little bit special because it has something in it I wanted specifically. Chef Diamond is doing a event for the month of July where she is going to do we're going to have a paint along where everybody paints a Disney character. She chose a canvas, but any Disney character will do, and it's just for fun. It's just a paint along. I don't think there's any rewards or prizes. It's just for fun. One of the things I got in my kit in my order were, I got 2 of these. And these are little clamps that help with cross stitching, but I'm also thinking it will help me with my diamond painting because I have to diamond paint vertically. I need clamps to hold my diamond painting up. And what I do across the top is so it doesn't make a sharp edge. I put those little rolls, you know, that the diamond paintings used to come on. I have one of those that I put across the top of my light pad, and then I'm hoping that this will work, that this will fit around that roll and hold my diamond painting up. So these were $5.47 for 2 of them. So I don't know what that breaks down to each, but anyway, these are really nice. They're not quite as strong as I hoped they would be, but they are strong. But when you're cross stitching, you can put this around to hold all your loose fabric up on your hook. So there's that. And real quick, I'll get into this. This was folded in the bag. It was folded around the diamond painting. But it's alright because it's folded inside also. So I think it'll be just fine. But this is the image. I'll bring it up close so you can see. It's called the Garden Path, and it does look like a very pretty garden path scene. This one's only 17 by 34 centimeters, and it's a 14 count cross stitch, and it's pre-printed as well. So let's get into it. This is a Joy Sunday kit. The bag can be used to keep your project in as you go along. And there are instructions on the back how to start it and how to finish it, how to get it ready to frame. The stamped material will wash off after you're done stitching. So the pattern is on one piece of paper. It's heavy duty glossy paper. And here again is the image. There are 29 colors in this kit. And this pattern, the symbols on this don't match the symbols that are on the canvas. But sometimes that's a good thing. And here are the colors. Very pretty colors. They were all able to fit onto one floss card. And there are 2 needles stapled here to it in a little tiny baggie. And there's 29 colors, but each color, there's not an awful lot because it is a small pattern. These are pretty garden colors, if you ask me. And these are nice soft threads. If you look at the card here, this tells you right here, this number is how many strands they gave of this color 471. There are 3 strands. This is the number that it is in the kit, and this number up here is the DMC number. So they take care of you on this one. And now we get to look at the fabric. Let's look at the top. See, look at that. It's tall and narrow, And it's kind of hard to see the image because the colors on here don't necessarily match the color of the thread that it's going to be. That helps it so you can see where you've already sewn. It makes it easier to see that. They have the symbols that are on for the canvas along here at the bottom. If you see, because it's so small, some of the printing isn't all that clear. Mostly the numbers is what's not clear. But that helps that you have the chart to refer to. The edges have been serged of this cross stitch pattern. And it has the information up here. This is the canvas number and it's a garden path. And this one doesn't tell you how many stitches wide it is and tall, but it's a small one, so it's easy to tell that this is about 70 stitches wide and 140 stitches long. It is a partial. All these white areas are, you don't stitch those. So this is a partial. It's kind of mostly full coverage, but there's a partial part to it. All the cross stitch patterns that I unpackaged last time were also partial, and I forgot to mention that. So I'm sorry about that. But this one is a partial. I think it's going to be a very cute worked up pattern, and I'm excited to get into it. I'm always excited to do all these kits I've got. I went through them the other day, and there's a lot. The stitchery in the stitchy world, they don't go as quick as diamond paintings go, and you guys who are in the diamond painting know that those don't go all that quick either. So, but this is the kit that I got for Chef Diamond's event. You guys go check her out. She has a great channel. She does great. She captures me, and you sit and want to listen to the whole thing. And she's a great video producer. Mostly diamond paint, but I believe she does a few other things. I am not sure, but she is a chef by her trade, and she loves to diamond paint, so that's why her name is Chef Diamond. She brings her cooking world into her diamond painting world, and it's kind of cute. Anyway, so it has a standard toolkit, a green bow, pink double square, and a pink pin. And these are the drills. They are bagged up. I think I just might not kit this one up. I'm going to try it again. I put little index cards inside all these little baggies, and that helps them to stand up. And I have a tray that they will all stand up in, and it makes it easy. All I have to do is I'll probably put the symbols, I'll copy these symbols and make stickers on all these bags. So that's probably how I'll kit this one up. I'm going to get this one ready for July so it can be ready for her event. And are you ready to see it? Here we go. This is her Disney. It has, let's see if I can name the characters. I think I can. It's got Minnie and Mickey and Goofy and Pluto and Daisy and Donald Duck. So anyway, I thought that it was a cute picture, and I thought it'd be fun to do this with Chef. We got dog background noise there. Okay, this one has 24 colors in it. It is a 40 by 50, and it has an item number right here. If you guys want that, it's A679. I'll link it down below, so if you want to get this and have fun with us, you can do it. The stick on this is quite nice. Here's the legend. The legend is mostly, it looks like it's completely alphabet. The DMC numbers are on here. The alphabet is not in order, but they are alphabetical. And I'm going to look at, see what they actually have on these drills. The DMC number is on the drill. They have the number from the canvas, and yeah, that's 310. And the number the DMC number is on the are on these, as well as that, let's see, that the A679 is there also with a few numbers in front of it. So if you don't want to write anything on these to keep them matched up, you don't need to. But I would, because it's so small. I'd write it real big so it could be seen easily when you're going through. So that is, I think that is a cute canvas. I love Disney. I don't do Disney per se, but I understand that draw to the Disney characters. They are so fun. But I'm doing Disney for Chef Diamond. She is a very big Disney fan. She goes to Disneyland, Disney World all the time. And she does their marathon runs. So I'm looking, oh, here's what I'm looking for. So I've got the diamond painting, and I've got this, and I've got these clips. I got 2 of these clips. Okay, so the cartoon mouse is what it's called on GBFKE, is $8.76. The cross stitch tools together for both of them was $5.47, and the garden path was $3.82. And that's a, you know, that's a good price for a cross stitch pattern. The threads alone are probably worth that. So I want to thank Chef Diamond for sponsoring this event. I'm glad she gave us a lot of warning so we could get prepared for it. If you guys want to go get prepared for it and do it also, it takes about 2 weeks to get your canvas. You can still do it in the month of July. So I want to thank you for joining me. I want you to take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.